Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today I've been asked to do just a travel quilt or blanket for the car for their dog, and they have a Great Dane. So I wanted to do something that was half decent size and that would take up their back seat of the car, because it kind of gave me a dimension. So this should be able to tuck under the seat to hold it there and still be able to hang over the edge, so if they wanted to put their paws down. So it was requested for plaid. I have this lovely gray plaid here. Actually, show you over on this side. There we go. There you go. It's very nice. That is the backing, or the front, doesn't really matter. And then some sort of neutral tone they said on the front, and I showed them this and they were fine with that. So, all right. So anything I wanted to do for quilting on it, as long as it was free motion. So here we go. So I had a little idea. So let's just go with it. I'm using the lilac purple thread that we got new to the quilt shop. So my plan was to kind of come up, maybe do a bit of a hook, and then come back down, and then do a circle or like a loop around it, like a clam shell or an oyster shell, and then back again. So it's like a hook with 2 repeats to go around. So, and we're going to try and fill this whole section of fabric. It does roll a little bit this way, but because I was trying to work from the bottom up and it was only a certain size, I figured I'd work from the lower down and then just roll it. So here we go. It also has 2 layers of batting, which you may be able to hear. But I also just realized I did not take it off the belts. So let's go take it off the belts, because it is a little bit stiffer working off the belts and on the belts than it is off. So take that one off there. Unscrew this one back here and then back over in front of. There we go. Okay. Oh, there we go. Much better. Way smoother. There we go. Isn't that kind of cute? You put your hook one way, put your hook another. You can do a little swirl. You can come up and do a feather. You could do a heart. Okay, I want to be able to come up here, just kind of trace. Oops. Get this filled in here. Now this on an overall quilt would look totally amazing. So it's always kind of good to be able to practice some of your stitch ideas on smaller projects like baby quilts, table runners, placemats, doggy quilts, even just like play mats for kids. Sorry, I got itchy nose there. Play mats for kids. You don't always have to go around twice. You can go around once, you can go around 3 times. Whatever gives you the effect that you're looking for to finish off your beautiful project, right? So, should have went back and finished this one, finish this section off, because then that looks odd. There we go. And of course it's kind of a little extra poofy because I've got 2 layers of batting here. Just to, it's 2 layers of just poly batting. And I don't want it getting micro quilted, so we're going to try and make sure we're spreading out our stitches and our thought idea. Oop, it's not really a hook, but that's okay, that works. And we just pretty much want to fill out this like square or rectangle section, and then of course we're going to trim it to put the binding on. And I'm going to use some of the green material to do the binding. And just keep filling and filling and filling. Could even do like a little tiny hook in here. Sorry, bad. What I meant to say. Hook in there. I don't want to get it so it's too far away from me and I can't work with it. So let's finish this last one off. Here. Go back down here. I'm going to be able to roll my quilt before I go and take on that top part where it's too far for me to reach. Okay. And this is a good indication where a 3 would come in play because there's not much else to do in here. Right? And you, as being the free motion quilter, have all the creativity that you know, can, need, or desire, right? You can change things any way you like. Come back and work this way. Nice big hook. And once you get the whole muscle memory down, it's so much fun, and you got such a nice fluid motion with your movements. Okay, we'll just leave that right there. I'm going to leave the needle down in the fabric. And of course, look how beautiful that is. It's kind of like a little swirly with the wind and just like echoed and stuff like that. And like I said, here is my 2 layers of batting. There is my beautiful backing. And it's not thin batting. It's quite thick. It's got some nice little loftiness to it. It's going to feel really nice the way they secure it into the back of the car. And yeah, it's going to look beautiful. Very, very nice. So that's our little free motion fun project for today. And I think it looks really nice with that beautiful lilac thread for sure. Just want to say thank you to everybody who watches our show. We greatly appreciate it. We love all the ones that leave a comment, have any questions for us to answer. We greatly appreciate that too. And we hope to see you Saturday at 1 p.m. on our live stream. That's 1 p.m. Eastern. Check us out, Mama Pop Quilt Shop. And we're also on Odyssey. It's also another platform to view videos. So check us out there as well. And we'll see you real soon. And thank you very much for your time, okay? Big hugs, everybody. Bye.